What is going on, guys? This is Poe from the future, which is why it's all like weird and looking and all that stuff, or it's just because the dew point's really high and my camera was really cold, so like it fogged up. But either way, what's gonna happen on this episode of POEKILL is I'm gonna keep on working on my truck, see if we can't get Meep to Alabama to get liquid wrapped, because what's going on is it was made inside of a trash bag and a 4-post lift. Those locusts are being ass. So it didn't really go on as good as it's supposed to, because it's supposed to be put on in a professional application inside of an actual shop with a compressor with a water trap, and just everything really wasn't the way it should have been in the first place. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna get resprayed with the liquid wrap inside of an actual booth. So y'all watch, see if I can't get my truck to get Meep all the way down to Alabama. Let's get to the video.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's off. It's off. The only thing holding it in is this bolt, and the bolt is out now. All right, let's go.
All right, I'm gonna pry a little bit whenever y'all are ready.
Just make sure it don't fall. Oh shit, that almost killed me. Nope, it needs to come back.
Right towards you? Y'all sure y'all don't want to chain this bit?
I think we can lower it. I think it's off now, or close to off.
No, it's off. Lower it slowly.
Just a wee bit. Let's pull it back.
Hold on. It looks like it's tilting to the right.
It is, but I'm holding it. All right, now go down more.
Sure you're holding it?
Yep. I know it. The lift's having a hard time too. Bro, look at the inside of this bell housing. It's covered in oil.
Okay, so how are we getting this off?
What's this like?
That's a great question.
Just hold it right there.
Hold on.
Lift the lift
Don't
up.
let it fall off. We're trying to get the whole thing out.
Yeah. I want to degrease
So
it.
we're gonna have to pick it up.
All right, look. Drop it this way. Watch out, Austin.
How are we supposed to drop it? We need one person pull it out and everybody else just pick it up.
Justin.
So we got 5 people.
Stand right here and pull it back towards you. All right, 1, 2. Wait, 3. All right.
Good.
What?
Oh my.
Well, y'all, thank you very much.
No problem.
Glove high fives.
All right, I'm going home. My job's done.
All right, Daniel, bye.
I'm joking.
I'm not even mad. You brought me food.
You see
so.
how big this fucking transmission is?
Slide that thing
This
out.
thing weighs as much as that fucking Miata. This is like 2 of my transmissions.
That's literally like your transmission stacked up 2 times. I really want to degrease it, so I might just put my shifter back on it.
Just get a rag.
Put a rag inside of it.
Dude, that thing is fucking dry. Paint it with bed liner.
Oh, it's very, very fucking dry.
The gears look nice though.
They look great.
They don't look messed
That's
up.
the strongest transmission that you can get.
Why do you say it's dry? I mean, you're looking at the top of the transmission.
The cooler didn't have anything in it.
The fluid's only going to be up this high, so it might still be in there and lubricating it, just not as high as it should be. You're not going to be able to see it at the top.
Oh, there's a bunch of shit in there.
The fill plug on this transmission is right here.
Holy shit. What kind of bolt is
Sure
that?
It's not this right here.
That might be
That's-
just.
that's-
That might be like the fluid level. Check.
I don't think this is the fill plug. I don't know.
I'd
anything.
put it up to right here.
Well, you got to know how high it is. You having fun?
Yeah.
All right, now what?
Lower the truck down, check out the clutch. So you'll see the video, you'll see the footage of it. The freaking clutch, that dust plate that was on the top, came down, went droop, and stopped right in front of my face. Oh shit.
Oh, I saw. I was looking at you just now.
It would have yeeted me.
I want to see what your disc looks like. I just want to see if there's any life left on it.
You look like Patrick.
I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the bolts off.
I just want to be able to film it from behind.
It's always a great angle.
Thank you.
Is that a 9?
Try this.
Grids? Yeah.
That throwout bearing? Make fun. It's a camera G,
There's so much clutch material everywhere. Oh, should be held in by pins. It shouldn't come off like that. Sure you got it? Watch the clutch disc. You're good. That's all you.
I don't need to turn that flywheel. That thing looks great.
Yeah, the flywheel's fine.
I'm telling you, it's oil probably slipping.
No, there's no oil on the flywheel.
Hey, remember what I said earlier?
Yep, slave cylinder.
There's no oil on the flywheel.
Oh no, it's bad.
Yeah, it's definitely bad. Look at this.
Let me see.
It's bad on the other side. Back side's bad.
There's no life on that.
No.
Yeah, that's dead. Why is this bad? Why is it bad?
There's just no life in it. Look at that.
Yeah.
See this one, how there's lines?
That's what it should look like. Oh yeah, that's definitely.
That one's
It's done.
foodered.
Oh man. There's no bearing left. Like the needles, I stuck my finger in there and the needles were literally just coming out. Like watch.
Oh shit. Yeah, the pilot bearing is gone. Look at this. This is my pilot bearing.
I mean, that doesn't really need to be turned.
I'd rather just do it anyways, so that way there's no problem. That's funny. That's literally my needle bearings right there.
All right, awesome. Let's do it.
Oh, y'all are smart.
It's not gonna go back there like this.
I'm big on putting things back better than you found them.
Yeah, but I might have to just empty the whole bucket on that one.
Wow.
All right, ready? Go ahead and break it loose. Just don't pull it out all the way. This should be held in by pins. Just watch your toes in case it falls. You never know. Don't cut yourself on the teeth. Good?
Yep. Oh my.
Hey, I didn't know you had a single mass flywheel though. That's pretty cool. What?
Look at the oil. Hey, Harry, I think it's safe to say my truck's leaking from all 8 common oil leak places.
What is this? Like, it could be worse. Your clutch.
Oh my goodness. Trashed.
Melted oil down
On
there.
the pilot bearing? Is the outer part of it still in there?
I wonder what this
No.
says.
That's a weird pilot bearing.
I don't even think that is pilot bearing.
No,
dog.
that's not, but I'm saying it's weird because it's a cone, so that way it helps center it.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before. Mine's not like that.
Definitely need a rear main.
Yeah, I agree. Like this whole back plate right here probably needs to be.
But my question is, where's the oil coming from up here? Is it the turbo pedestal? Because those are really bad on these trucks, and I really hope it's not the turbo pedestal.
Because you don't want to pull turbo.
Yeah, because that sucks. I'm probably just gonna have to do it anyways.
Well, knock it out while you have the chance. You gonna go ahead and call them? Well, it's Sunday. I don't know if they're open.
It's 7:30 right now.
Oh, they close at 6. I beat Guitar Hero 5 today. Fun fact.
Hey, can you grab me one of those cups on top of the fridge?
You ain't seen shit, bro. You ain't seen shit. Ignorance is bliss, bro. Yeah, don't look at it. If you look at it, then you know it's in there. But if you don't know, just drive it like normal and it'll last forever.
Right.
Sweet.
All right, so right now I'm checking the oil in the truck, seeing if there's any metal flakes in it, because I have a bad feeling there is. Hopefully there's not. If so, then I'm buying a rebuild kit for the truck eventually. And if not, then it's a 7.3, so it's strong, and I expected that. All right, moment of truth.
Yeah, I guess it's best too.
I mean, like, labor invest.
Hey, this oil is perfect. It's really, really thin and black, but there's no metal chunks in it. All right, I got these Yeeter 10,000s right here, and they're pulling off the oil filter.
Drip, drip, drip. That's what it looked like whenever 11 took over all those people trying to kill him. You know,
Bro, stop making jokes about that freaking TV show. I don't like that. I know that.
Why are you so
I don't know if I like that show yet.
Yeah, you do. 8 or 9 is more realistic.
This oil filter is the size of a f***ing Texas.
Okay, as long as you don't go.
All right, time to drop the gas tank.
Want to do the exhaust first, so that way you got more room.
I mean, we can. I could just pull these bolts right here.
All you gotta do is just that back.
I think we should just do the gas tank first before it gets too late.
Yeah. I mean, I could do the exhaust myself.
Everyone's here because not everyone's gonna be here.
That is true.
I can do the exhaust myself. The gas tank, I can't. All right, those look like 14s.
Hey, do what I told you. Grab that jack and that jack, then we can lower it.
Well, this bitch is about to come out. Is there a chance one of y'all can help me? So now we pull this bolt. Just bend it like I have right here so it can fall down a little.
Where is the fuel box?
I don't know.
You didn't care to look it up first?
No, I think I found out. There's lines right there connected to it.
It's coming down.
I don't think that's how it's going.
Oh yeah, I can see the top of the gas tank now.
I know, but I'm saying that side all the way to the back is not coming down.
Your hat's right there.
Yep. I mean, I can reach it. I don't know if I can change it right now, but I can reach it for sure.
No, we need to figure out why the back is not coming down.
Oh, it's your filler tube.
It's your fill line.
Yeah, that's what I figured it was. I could get that whole thing in right there.
Okay,
No problem.
so let's do it.
That's gonna be a pain in the ass. I'm gonna have to take the exhaust off.
Dang, I wonder who said that earlier.
Asshole. Look, that's just a bang clamp
Yeah,
right there.
I'll just take the.
You want to take that filler clamp off?
Should just be a few.
Yeah, like 4 10mm bolts. Is it with a key?
No, you just pull it open with your hand.
It's a truck, my dude.
Yeah, it's she looks like it's just the cap. Is this what you were talking about?
Honestly, that would be pretty easy. It looks like it is. It's literally just an 8mm clamp on both sides. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is cut the exhaust off. I'm only doing that because I know that I have exhaust going on the truck. All right. If it does, I mean, it does. But diesel's it is combustible, but it's like only at really high. Like if you took a lighter to diesel, it wouldn't burn.
That's why I was saying diesels don't catch on fire until they do.
All right, just have a little bit more to go.
I didn't tell you. Please don't kill yourself, bro.
It blew up.
Blew up?
Yeah, it did.
That almost just went straight through his face.
Why don't you use the dog on?
Because I didn't see any blades. Well, kids, that's why you don't play with grinders.
Not as bad as I thought it'd be. Still not good.
Well, it did that, caught, came back, and then landed literally like this while it was still spinning. OSHA approves.